Hello and welcome to another video. The topic for today is how to add background music to your video. There are many things you can do to create an amazing video, like adding text templates, cutting your video, resizing your video. Another element is to add background music. So if you want to learn how to add background music to your video, let's get started. So the first thing you would want to do is to log on to typito.com. For that, all you need to do is a quick Google search of Typito, or you can click the link down in the description to sign up for free. Now this is what my Typito dashboard looks like. The first thing I want to do is click New Project and select the right format and aspect ratio for my video based on the social media platform that I'm going to publish the video on. So in this case, I think I'm going to go ahead with the Instagram 9:16 vertical. This will automatically prompt me to upload my media files. So I'll go ahead and do that. Right here, click open and just give it a moment while it uploads. Now that our media has uploaded, let's start editing. I'll give my video a quick preview to make sure that this is what I want. If I want to crop it or reposition it, all I need to do is click this button right here and reposition it to ensure that it's right in the center. Click to apply the changes. There you go. The next step would be to go to the audio menu. And now we are faced with two options. Either you can upload your own music files, or you can just select one that Typito has already chosen for you based on different genres. So you can either choose happiness or cute. But in this case, I think I'm going to go ahead and upload my own media file. So for that, a great way to find media options is to go to the YouTube audio library. Yep. The YouTube audio library is free to use and royalty free. So all you have to do is download your file and you can use it as much as you want. So now I'm going to search for something that fits the mood that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and filter it by mood and choose bright, click apply, and let's see what we have. I like how this sounds, so I think I'm going to go ahead and download this and go back to your Typito workspace and upload. Yep, there it is. Click open and just give it a couple of seconds while it uploads. Once your audio file has uploaded, all you need to do is click to apply, and let's give it a quick preview. If you like how this sounds, all you need to do is export, but I'm going to just reduce the volume just a tad bit. Right there. And I think this looks perfect. So now all I'm going to do is click export and I'm done. It is as simple as that. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.